In this video, I'll show you how to save your IKEA kitchen design as a PDF and upload it to CabinetNow.com for an instant quote on custom cabinet doors. First, go to kitchen.planner.ikea.com/US and make sure you're logged into your IKEA account. Next, open your saved designs and select the kitchen layout you want to export. Once you're inside your saved designs, click the three dots and choose Print. Make sure to check the box for item list and then click Print Selection. When your computer's print window opens, choose Save as PDF and select all pages. That's it, your IKEA Planner PDF is now ready. On CabinetNow.com, click Build Your IKEA Project and upload your IKEA PDF you just saved. Our system will pull in your item list automatically. From there, you'll just choose the new door style you want and then select your finish. Be sure to review all your selections, then click Get Your Cart. Cabinet Now will automatically load every item into your cart so you can see your total price instantly and get a fast, accurate quote for your new custom cabinet doors.